Choosing the perfect miter saw feels overwhelmingly confusing with sliding versus non-sliding, single versus dual bevel, and corded versus cordless options flooding today's marketplace. We completely understand that frustration. After rigorous real-world workshop testing, finding your ideal miter saw finally feels straightforward, exciting, and genuinely rewarding for woodworkers at every skill level. All of the product links are in the description below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for the upcoming video. Let's jump into the video. First, we start with number 5 on our list, SKIL MS6305 miter saw. Budget-friendly doesn't mean cutting corners. This skill proves it perfectly. SKIL MS6305 is powered by a 15-amp motor spinning its blade at 4,800 revolutions per minute, ripping through every species of wood without slowing down. You complete 2 into 12 crosscuts and 2 into 8 miter cuts with remarkable ease at this price point. Dual beveling and mitering to 51 degrees in both directions deliver professional-grade versatility surprisingly unavailable on competing budget models. LED shadow line technology casts a crisp blade shadow onto workpieces, showing exactly where each cut lands, even in bright conditions. An onboard blade wrench stores securely on the base, eliminating frantic searching during mid-project blade changes. Dual bevel capability allows cuts up to 48 degrees left and 45 degrees right, complemented by 11 positive stops at commonly used angles. Sliding fences support nested crown cuts up to 6.5 inches without additional accessories. What genuinely surprises most is how confidently this saw handles demanding hardwood cuts. Dust collection performs below average, requiring an external vacuum for cleaner workshop conditions. Choose MS6305 when maximum power at minimum cost defines your buying decision. Next, number 4. Bosch GCM12S miter saw. Smooth cutting just reached an entirely new standard. Bosch GCM12 features an axial glide system delivering smooth motion and space savings without compromising full cutting capacity. You position this saw closer to walls than any traditional sliding model allows, reclaiming valuable workshop real estate. A full 3-horsepower 15-amp motor provides a maximum speed of 3,800 revolutions per minute, powering through lumber without hesitation. Miter range spans 52 degrees left and 60 degrees right with 15 detents, while dual bevel tilts 47 degrees both ways with 9 stops. Pre-aligned square lock fences maintain precision throughout the saw's entire working life automatically. A large soft grip ambidextrous handle keeps users comfortable during all-day operation without causing hand fatigue. Upfront bevel controls eliminate awkward reaching behind the saw during adjustments. What we love most is how the axial glide system feels compared to every competing sliding mechanism. Effortlessly superior. Compared to the DEWALT DWS780, Bosch achieves tighter 0.1 degree miter accuracy during precision work. Absent LED lighting and limited dust collection performance trail both DEWALT DWS780 and Makita LS1219L noticeably. Invest in GCM12SD when workspace efficiency and buttery smooth operation define your perfect saw. Number 3. DEWALT DWS780 miter saw. Every serious workshop deserves one dependable powerhouse. This is it. DEWALT DWS780 features a powerful 15-amp motor cutting at 3,800 revolutions per minute, handling everything from framing lumber to intricate trim work. You cut wider boards confidently thanks to a sliding arm extending capacity dramatically beyond fixed-head competitors. XPS cut line system casts a shadow line directly from the blade, showing exactly where it will cut without requiring recalibration after blade changes. Stainless steel miter detent plate features 11 positive stops, making common angle repeats fast and reliable. Dual bevel capability allows both left and right tilting, adding versatility particularly valuable during angled compound cuts. Tall sliding fences support crown molding and wide trim pieces securely during complex cutting operations. Miter adjustment system earned high praise from testing teams for its easy-to-use handle, override system, and overall ergonomics. What stands out most is consistent accuracy maintained across hundreds of consecutive cuts without drifting. Bosch GCM12SD offers smoother glide motion, but DWS780 wins on accessibility and widespread blade availability. Dust collection suffers from a narrow nozzle design, limiting debris capture without an attached vacuum. Buy DWS 780 when reliable precision at a competitive price defines your priorities. Number 2. Makita LS1219 Miter Saw. Serious woodworkers demand serious tools, and Makita delivers exactly that. Makita features a unique two-steel rail sliding system, offering smooth and precise operation with a reduced footprint that allows flush wall operation. You gain complete workspace flexibility without sacrificing any cutting capacity whatsoever. Increased capacity handles up to 8-inch crown molding, vertically nested, 6 3/4-inch baseboard vertically, and 15-inch crosscuts at 90 degrees. An innovative direct drive motor eliminates belts entirely, removing any slipping, breaking, or belt replacement concerns over time. Electronic speed control maintains consistent blade performance under heavy load conditions. An integrated upper and lower 5.5-inch tall fence system offers added rigidity for more precise miter and bevel cuts. What impresses most is dual dust collection ports that capture debris far better than single-port competitors manage. A built-in laser clearly indicates the line of cut, whether the blade is turning or not. Compared to DEWALT DWS 780, Makita provides a superior miter range reaching 60 degrees in both directions. Some users report that the pivot mechanism collects sawdust buildup, occasionally binding during extended use. Choose Makita LS1219L when cutting capacity and smooth operation matter most. Finally, we present to you our overall product number 1. Festool Kapex KS120 Miter Saw. Precision Woodworking just found its ultimate weapon. Festool KS120 delivers industry-leading dust collection, exceptional cutting accuracy, and premium build quality that rivals nothing else available today. Its 1,600-watt direct drive motor features a magnetic brake that stops the blade within 3 seconds, eliminating dangerous spin-down time completely. You benefit from zero blade wobble on every single pass through hard wood. Integral table extensions lock securely, offering additional support for longer stock without requiring separate accessories. Single-handed blade changes save valuable time on busy job sites. A rail-forward design creates a compact footprint, allowing placement flush against walls for all cutting tasks. Dual independent lasers show exactly where each blade side lands before cutting begins. What we love most is how German engineering solves real problems professionals face daily: dust, deflection, and speed. Competitors like Bosch Glide offer 80% of this performance at a more accessible price point. Micro-adjusting miter angles near a detent requires several frustrating attempts without a dedicated adjustment mechanism. Kapex rewards professionals who demand absolute accuracy above everything else. Invest confidently here.